Kenyan universities produce thousands of graduates annually, but a huge number of the graduates are said to not be workplace ready. In the tech space, a war for talent by big tech companies means that developers and software engineers are in high demand, and the Safaricom Engineering Community is on a mission to help build world-class tech talent in Kenya from the ground up. This is by giving university students hands-on tech experience and upgrading Kenyan university tech curricula for the 21st century. As the Safaricom Chapadimba Western Region Finals were happening, a Build by Safaricom immersion was held at the Masinda Muliro University of Science and Technology and attended by hundreds of students.
I heard about the Safaricom Engineering Community program from our school website, and I wanted to join it because I'm an AI enthusiast. I plan on becoming an AI engineer, so it piqued my interest, so I decided to come.
What we are doing at Safaricom Engineering Community is not just empowering the youth with the knowledge, but actually implementing what we are currently doing at Safaricom at university levels. So merging what they are currently learning in the curriculum with what the industry needs, so that when Safaricom is out there looking for talent, we are not just getting talent that Safaricom needs to develop again for us to start generating value from them, but they start generating value from day one.
The Safaricom Engineering Community Group is made up of passionate engineers who came together after the inaugural Safaricom Engineering Summit held in July 2022. From an initial 10 engineers, the community has since grown to over 5,000 members, with the goal being to get to 10,000. The community seeks to foster a sense of engineering excellence and innovation after an industry-wide skills audit revealed gaps and opportunity in the Kenyan tech scene.
What we are currently trying to do as Safaricom Engineering Community is to upskill 1,400 youths in Kenya on the 10 in-demand digital skill sets. And we are trying to do this by actually building 10 centers of excellence across 10 universities in the country. We are not just churning out the graduates with certificates they cannot use, but with knowledge they can utilize in the industry.
The engineering community organizes one-day workshops at selected universities dubbed Build by Safaricom that provide a window into the mentoring opportunities available. Interested students can then sign up for the year-long program dubbed Accelerate by Safaricom.
It's a technical immersion. We will be having regular sessions with them for 1 year, and it's not just they are now learning the cloud computing, big data, AI, but we will also have work-based programs, hackathons, and then the 100 students will take part in the codility test, and then we are going to pick the 20 best students who will come and be part of the internship at Safaricom in June next year.
Additionally, the engineering community runs an industry talent pool where the students mentored and trained can be found by Kenyan and global companies in need of techies. There is also Safaricom Mizizi, a work placement program for high school students that was started in 2023 and has so far reached 85 high schools in Kenya. In a bid to democratize technology for Africans, the community aims to build a portal where one can post tech questions in whatever language and developers from across the continent can answer.
Safaricom blessed us a lot. We have been grappling with this issue in the Kenyan education sector, whereby employers complain that there's a mismatch between the students we produce and the market. And therefore we have been calling for industry and partners to come and give us a real industry experience. And they did come here to give us some experience in ICT engineering. We'll have a long-term training where Safaricom give us real-time industry experience. So our students, we don't have to teach them just theory. They get to learn and practice what's happening in the industry. It's easier for them to be absorbed in the job market or for them to create jobs.
At Masinda Muliro, the Safaricom Engineering Community mentors focused on cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, as well as cloud computing. Students also got a chance to learn about how to interview for jobs as well as the future of jobs in an AI world.
It was really interesting to me. I learned a lot, especially about ethics in AI. And that is what I am taking home. As a person interested in the AI field, I really didn't know about the ethical side of it. But today I got to learn about it.
I was a bit scared about the future. When you listen to talks like about the advances in technology, in AI, for example, you get scared. But I was a bit comforted today to see that we have a partner whom we can improve our skills and move with the rest of the world, so we won't left behind.
What we are trying to do with the university is merge what they have. If a good example, Masinde Muliro, they already have a cybersecurity course, but then we are merging and updating what they are currently teaching. For universities where they are not teaching the 10 in-demand skill sets, we are starting from the basics, and after 1 year then the university will decide whether they want to have it as a separate unit or embed it to an existing unit.
Kenya has established itself as a tech hub for Africa, with global tech firms setting up shop. Tech is a key plank for the government's Vision 2030. In the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic, remote work has gained prevalence globally. All this means a skilled tech workforce is in demand, and training efforts such as those by the Safaricom Engineering Community will provide the supply.